fully loaded breakfast burrito. Golden, loaded, and made fresh for America. Hey y'all, love my club sandwich? Now get ready, guys. Fully loaded breakfast burrito. Here are every single ingredient you need for this amazing burrito. 8 eggs. This is gonna be spectacular. The bacon and I have an understanding now. Crispy, thick-cut bacon cooked and crumbled, the breakfast burrito soul. Hash browns pressed and cooked, golden crispy. That color is absolute perfection. Sautéed. The most colorful skillet in breakfast history. Low heat, slow fold, the softest creamy eggs you will ever. The eggs transcended. Warm those tortillas until perfectly pliable. They're the key to a great burrito. I know some people don't like you, but you are going in this burrito. Black beans, 1 cilantro. The pit has been released. Fresh, ripe avocado sliced and lime squeezed, the ultimate burrito upgrade. Burrito architecture requires precision. Eggs, bacon, hash browns, the breakfast trinity layered in the center. Peppers, cheddar, black beans, avocado glib, the most beautiful burrito filling ever. Sides fold in, and bottom folds up, and roll it tight and firm. Toast each side golden. Those char marks make this burrito official. Patience rewarded. The diagonal cut reveals Pet, the most beautiful breakfast burrito inside. America, look at this. L-O-Okanite. Plated with salsa, sour cream, cilantro. The complete breakfast burrito experience.
The fully loaded breakfast burrito, pure golden American morning perfection.
Oh, America, with the burrito bites. Salsa and sour cream together go perfect. They're perfect. Fully loaded breakfast burrito made with love, heart's love for all of America. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.